First of all, let's scan the car to find the faults. Oh, engine is broken. Oh, car is so dirty. Car tires need to be changed. Oh, fuel tank is empty. First, let's fix the engine. Fix the engine, fix the engine. Pour coolant and engine oil. Let's fix and replace the gears. Now engine is fixed. Now let's clean the car. Clean the mirror. Clean the car, clean the car. Clean with soap and water. Wow, it's shining now. Let's change the tire. Remove old flat tire. Put the new one, pump up the air. Now tires are all good and new. Let's fill the fuel tank, fill it up. Make the car ready to go. Wait, let's decorate it and let's go. Wow, 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 beautiful. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.